All right, let's go. Let's talk about unlimited leads for free. Unlimited leads for free. So, are you sitting there and you need more leads for your business? Do you need more sales calls to come in? Do you need more cleans on your calendar? I will teach you how to get unlimited leads, okay? So, in the past 3 videos, I taught you how to go after real estate agents, construction companies, and as well as the property managers, right? Guys, this can apply. Okay, so just off those 3 alone, you guys already know I had a list of 2,500 real estate agents. I have a list of how many construction companies here. So another 1,000 construction companies. Another, how many, 1,000 property management companies. Okay, so now, by the way, Google Maps, all this information right here, public. They all need cleaning, right? So now I want you to look up anything. Dental offices, Seattle. Do you guys think they don't need cleaning as well? These like smaller, like privately owned dentists. Now I'm not talking about like the biggest hospital in your city, but these like private practices. Who do you think does their cleaning, right? Dental offices, lawyer offices. How about hair salons, right? Guys, who do you think does the cleaning for all these businesses? There are unlimited leads online, and this is what I'm telling you. So guys, this same process of look up the type of customer you want to go after, create a list to go after them, or to create a spreadsheet with all of them on one page, create a script, which you can use the same script for all of them. I'm just raising my hand and letting you know exists. Who do you use for cleaning right now? I would love to help you guys save some money, perhaps. Who does your cleaning? And that'll open a lot of doors just by knocking, right? And so now the gears in your head are really turning like, oh my gosh. And once you start using AI and virtual assistants to do all this for you. So let me show you guys, for example. Why is it that, so my business is going to be doing $1 million a year pretty soon, right? And so why is it that I have $1 million business and you don't? All right, I'm not saying that to be a smart ass. Why do I have $1 million business and you don't? Well, it's simply because we are making more dials than you are. I'm going to say that again. We pick up the phone and we just make more calls than you do. By a lot. Okay? And so, at this point, I have a team of virtual assistants. I have 2 that are calling nonstop. They're making 50 calls a day, so that's 100 calls a day that are going out to just like every single business in Seattle. So, 100 calls per day times 7 days a week, and yes, that's 7 days a week, right? I have different virtual assistants that work on different days. That's 700 calls per week times 4 weeks. We are making 2,800 outbound calls every month. Guys, out of 2,800, let's say 99% of them say no, but 1% of them are like, you know what, we actually just fired a cleaner who was doing badly, or you know, we could save some money. If you guys can beat the price, I would be happy to go with you, right? If just 1% of them says yes, dude, how many new customers is that every month? That's 28 new customers. What is the average ticket? And by that, I mean, like, what is the average job that you sell? For us, it's $550. So we, right now, are adding $15,000 every month just from cold calls. We haven't even gone over paid ads. We haven't even gone over warm outreach or posting content, right? Just from, there's 4 playbooks in this marketing channel. Just from that alone, from this one cold outreach playbook alone, we are making $15,000 every month. So I'm going to tell it to you again. Why do you think I own $1 million cleaning business and you don't? It's simply because we make more calls than you do, right? So even if you don't have a virtual assistant and you're not using AI to create these lists and everything, which I'll teach you that later, you guys understand the concept though, right? The concept of, oh my gosh, there really are unlimited leads out there. I just needed Daniel to tell me, but he's right. There are unlimited leads. Like, think of every business that you can think of and you just type that in and you call all of them, right? And so you guys can start seeing the math here. $15,000, I mean, dude, what would that do for your business every month? What is that per year? 12 months? That's almost $200,000 right there. And so when I told you guys My year one, I did 95,000, and the second year I went up to 330,000. I will show you guys too. Like that really is like I went 3x in 1 year. Just from cold outreach alone, you guys could add 200,000, go from 100 to 300 in 1 year, 3x, just from cold outreach alone, guys. So I will tell you though, with all this cold outreach, you're reaching out to real estate agents, you're reaching out to construction companies, property managers. None of this works as well if you don't have professional uniforms, professional photos, and a professional website. Like I went over in the first part. If you haven't watched those videos, the Louis Vuitton of cleaning, that's why I talked about those videos first. You're calling all these people and they're looking you up online. And if you look like a run-of-the-mill, semi-professional company, do you think that these professional businesses are going to go with you? No, it's because my company, and hopefully your company too, has professional uniforms, photos, and a professional website. These guys are looking you up after you put your name out there. And they see that you're a professional looking company. You look like $1 million company. They want to do business with you. Guys, just off of cold outreach alone, you can 3x your business in 1 year. Okay, so I hope that you guys feel inspired after watching these videos. Like, you guys can really see the gears turning in your own heads. Like, oh my gosh, I can 3x in 1 year. This really is possible if I just stick to it, right? And so, this is cold outreach in a nutshell. This is one of 4 ways that you can get new customers. Cold outreach, warm outreach, content, and paid ads. So, I hope that you guys are finding value in these videos. I hope that this is giving you ideas to bring in new customers, and I believe in you, as always. I really do believe if you follow these videos and implement what I'm teaching you, you will have a business, a successful business. Ciao.